So just really quickly, let me show you guys how to change your needle on the Singer Heavy Duty 4423 sewing machine. So this is the screwdriver that comes with your sewing machine. The first thing we're going to do is drop our presser foot, make sure the needle is high enough. We are going to turn this screw to loosen it a little using the screwdriver. You want to always hold the needle while you're unscrewing, because you do not ever want the needle to go down into your machine. So we took our needle out and we're just going to get a new one. If you look at the needle closely, you are going to see a groove right in between the needle, and on the other side of the needle you're going to see a flat part. So on one side of the needle it's flat, the other side is round, and it has a groove close to the eye of the needle. The flat part of the needle faces the back of the machine, and the grooved part faces us. So we are going to slide the needle back into the machine. We are going to tighten first with our hands and then further tighten using our screwdriver. And that is how you change your sewing needle. Even though this machine is really strong and it is meant to sew very bulky, sturdy fabrics like denims and faux leathers, there are times where you will need to change your needle. So whether the needle breaks or you've just excessively used your needle, when it's time to change your sewing needle, it's really important to know exactly how to do so.